Hey, boy, come here!
Yeah, Gilby, what is it, huh? What is it, what is it?
Welcome to our new home. Nice, huh?
Yeah, sure. What did I do? What did I do?
You didn't do nothing. You didn't do nothing. Look. Well, see now, this is gonna require strategy. The thing we gotta do is we gotta get that cat out of the house. Now here's what you should do, boy.
Riot!
Okay, boy?
Lower away.
Did you see him run, boy? That upside-down room was the piece de resistance.
Now we can have the place all to ourselves.
Nothing like a feast in front of an open fireplace. Hey, boy?
Yeah, sure.